The Veno Train Glider makes it easier to put on the stockings. The donning aid is available on prescription. Tip: crumple the new glider before using it for the first time. Place the non-slip mat in front of your feet. Position the glider on the mat with the white side facing upward. Place your toes on the perforated line and swing the foot forward into the material. Unfold the compression stocking a good half of the way without creating any creases at the edges. With the glider, push steadily into the foot of the stocking. Now, use the loop provided to pull the glider out slowly and completely. Special gloves also help you put on the compression stockings. They make it easier to grip the knit. Now gradually slide the stocking upward, making sure that you stretch and distribute it evenly until there are no creases. The next stage, an important tip. When putting on stockings, it's the technique that matters, not how hard you pull. Finally, turn over the top band. Wearing the gloves, you can now make the final adjustments to the knit.
Der sitzt schön, angenehm.